To enter 10 numbers in an array and display it, it is the first program of array. What is array? An array is a memory structure created that contains a number of variables with the same variable name but different subscripts in order to deal with a number of data values. In an array, we can store a number of elements in a consecutive cells. Consecutive cells means side by side. Here, this is import statement, this is class statement, this is scanner, this is display, this is function name display. Then this is the main part of the array. This is the declaration of the array. How can you declare an array? This is if you store integer element, then you have to give the data type int. Then this is your A is the array variable, then equal to new is the operator, then int, then in subscript value is 10. This subscript value means in this bracket this is the value, so this is your subscript value. 10 means you have to enter 10 elements. It may be your 10 or less than 10. You can enter 10 or less than 10 elements. Maximum value is 10. You have to write the maximum value here. So this is the declaration part. You can declare like this: int a, then your blank square bracket equal to new int, then you have to give a maximum value of the array. That means number of element of the array. Now this is enter 10 numbers. To store 10 numbers, you have to write for loop. When you enter one number, it will store in AI. AI means A0. It will store in A0, then second number will store in A1. Similarly, the last number, last number, 9th number will store in, 10th number will store in A9. So first number will store in A0, second number will store in A1, last number will store in A9, 10th number will store in A9. So first index is 0 and last index is 9. Here A0, what is the value of I? 0. So this is first index is 0. And what is the last value? 9. A9. So last index is 9, first index is 0. This is the part to store 10 elements. Now to display. To display again you have to write for loop, then print the AI only. AI means it will print the A0, A1, A2 means what element stored in the A0. It will print the element stored in A0, A1 up to A9. Okay, so you enter the 10 element in the array, then this is the displaying part. Now come to the output. What will be the output? Compile, no syntax error. Now come to the output part. Now to find out the error, right click on it. New. Okay. Then right click on it. Then void display. This is the output. Enter 10 numbers. First is enter 10 numbers. So you have to enter 10 numbers. First one is, let me, 23, 56, 89, 76, 33, 21, 99, 90, 09, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 10 numbers are entered in that is stored in the array A0 to A9, and these 10 numbers are displayed here. Whatever 10 number we enter here, this is displaying part, displayed in here. Okay. So this is the program to enter 10 number and display it. Now this is the program to enter 10 number and display this sum. Now you entered the 10 number here. This is the 10 number. You entered the 10 number in Ni. N is the array variable. You entered the 10 number in Ni. You have to display this sum. To display this sum you need to write the for loop again and then add this one. How can you add? S, you have to take an S will be 0, this is S is 0, S equal to S plus Ni. Ni means here N0 will add to S, then again N1, then N2 up to N9. So all elements are stored, added in S. Okay. So finally, now to find the average of 10 elements, you have to find here, you have to take another one, int. This is not int, double avg, double avg equal to sum by 10.0 semicolon. This will find the average. Now print this one. This is system dot out dot println average equal to double quote close, then plus avg. Compile. Now syntax error, close. You see, in for loop there is this statement enter a number. If you have written enter a number in for loop and you have given for loop 10 times, then it enter number will come 10 times. You enter a number, then you will enter a number, then again it will print enter number, then again you will print input a number, so it will process 10 times. If you give here SOPLN enter a number, then it will print and not enter a number. Here you have to write enter 10 number, then only NI. Then there will be one statement enter 10 number, then you will put 10 times. Okay. Now let us see what is the output. If you have written this statement in for loop, it will print 10 times enter number 10 times. Let us see the output. This is the output. Enter number. Let this I have given 4. Then again enter number 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 45, 78, 44, 45. Okay. So there are 10 times enter number 10 times. You have written it inside the for loop, then it will process 10 times. If you have written before for loop enter 10 number, then it will print only once enter 10 number and you can put your 10 elements. This is sum equal to this much, average equal to 25.7. This is the output.